Hey guys, we're here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Volkswagen Polo 2011 and fully integrated factory style screen onto the original location. And this is the old radio that came out, and you will have to see a quick look of what it looked like before. So this is what the original Polo stereo looks like. And so this is what it looks like now. So it's got also CarPlay and Android Auto built in. So you got wireless CarPlay here, so you don't need to have any wires connected. Fully wireless, and got all your favorite apps show up on here, and all the sound goes to the original system.
Now, EE full fiber broadband can connect 100 devices around your home, like laptops, smartphones.
Also, it's running full Android, so you got access to the Play Store, which allows you to download all your favorite apps on here. So you can download Waze and all that, Google Maps, if you don't want to use CarPlay or Android Auto. Got your normal radio as well built in there, and you also got your Bluetooth for Bluetooth audio if you want to listen from your phone. Yeah, if you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit us at Car Sound Security. Thank you.